A loud welcome for Tom Abbott.
Hey, hi, AM bankers. Start moving, ladies and gentlemen. Hands in the air. Never give up. Be persistent. Be persistent and keep asking for the sale. Keep asking for the sale. Keep moving forward. Keep trying to find how are other ways that I can help this customer. What are some of the other products and services that we offer? It's not about what we're interested in. It's what our customer is interested in. That's the key to closing more sales. What does it take to deliver quality in sales?